What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to leave a comment in Google Docs. So let's get right into this. So all you need to do to leave a comment in your Google Docs workbook or someone's is all you need to do is highlight the text basically where you want to leave a comment. Either on the right side it'll pop up where it says add comment. You can actually add an emoji as well, and or suggest an edit, or you right click into this and you click into where it says comment. So a comment box will pop up. So if you're trying to just leave a comment in general, just for yourself, like as a reference point or notes, you can just do that. Or if you're trying to comment to someone, you can actually press at, shift at or shift 2, that's where usually at is, and then you type the person's email address or name if they're already in your contacts to leave a comment to a specific individual. Once you do that, it'll basically send them a notification as well, and they can come like review it or whatever, right? Maybe you just tell them, hey, come check this out, or this is what I worked on, or this is what I wrote, etc., right? So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys love the video, please smash it up. If you guys on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Mo Tutorials out. Peace.